when we get there. So I decided. Hey, what's going on, guys? This is your boy JB. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we got an unboxing for you guys. Just a little background. I'm going on a train trip across the country from California to Chicago to DC to DC to New York, and we're gonna go for a group ride in every city that we visit. So I decided to get a fast charger. I've been recently affiliated with Pidzoom, so I wanted to support them by getting my own fast charger. So I got the portable fast charger HW170P, which is a smaller version, which for some reason is more expensive than the regular version. So we're just gonna unbox that for you guys. So here's the box. So yeah, and if you guys do like the video, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and use the keyword JBZ for 5% off your order. Well, I said 10, but that's 5% off your order. And yeah, let's get into the unboxing, shall we? Okay, so for the purpose of my security, I am gonna unbox it from the other way, where my got my handy dandy unboxing knife from AliExpress. So I'm pretty excited about my cross-country trip because I just reached my second year of riding EUCs, and you know, one of the goals that I did want to make was to travel cross-country and try to collaborate or ride with each city, and that's what we're doing. So we got some. We did opt out for the case. It is kind of hefty. We did, so I guess this is the extension cable and the power cable, and let's see the charger itself. Just looking at the case, it is super small. I do have a Roger charger case, and that thing is like humongous, and loud. But that was my first ever like fast charger, so I didn't know what the hell I was looking for. But now I do. So I need something portable, not too heavy. As you can see, the charger itself is well secured. The case does come with like these protection bumps in case, you know, you do fall. And it is a hard shell, by the way, so it's well protected. But I am planning on printing bumpers for this. But at first glance, first impressions is this thing is super portable and tiny. So it does charge from 120 to 170 volts. So the rocket is coming in. I have the Blitz. I have the regular Blitz, the first batch, which is 134 volts, and the rocket is 168 volts. So this is perfect enough for both my wheels. And I have a Tesla V8, which is 84 volts. So I don't really need to fast charge that. I did get all the adapters for it, just in case I get other wheels. So the case, you have a bunch of Pidzoom stickers. Just Pidzoom it. And then let's see what adapters that came in. So we have a split. What is this? The XT60, I believe. It could be an XT60 or 30. I don't know like by the sizes, but it is kind of small. So I think it's the XT60. We have a 3-prong one, 5-1. Oh my god, there's so many of them. I think they did come with dual ones. Yeah, so they did come with 2 of each, and you put this in there and then you connect it, so you can charge both wheels pretty quickly. Just make sure you're putting the exact same one Same adapter, not like a 3-prong and a 6-prong one, just so you could charge your wheel double as fast. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And then we're gonna try to set this up. I believe they do have an app for it. We'll see if I could download the app and get this started. So I'll be right back. All right, welcome back, guys. So plugged it in. The fan comes on almost instantly, and it doesn't seem to be that loud, but you could clearly hear it. We got the instructions right here. We got to plug in the charger before we plug it into the PEV. You got to long press the voltage block on the display to input the desired value. Then, so we want to charge our blitz, so we're going to put 134 volts and press the check mark to save. Present current. I think the minimum requirement for this is 8 volts or so. So make sure when if you are buying this charger, your PEV or EUC can handle 8 volts. Is it 8 volts or 5 volts? I'm not entirely sure, but it's one of those. But make sure it can handle 5 or 8 volts before you plug it in, because you don't want to put over currents. So what's to say we're gonna do that 8 amps. It's not gonna show it because it's not plugged into my PEV. And so this is once you set the output or your amperage. So make sure you select the correct amperage before plugging in your EUC. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And you just connect this to the other adapter on the end. Right here. And then connect the other piece to the other side, the other end to your PEV. And there's also some settings you could put that it does have it does also have settings on here. So if you want to, it also has an app, so it'll show the app connection where you could scan the QR code, connect to the app, and be connect to the settings. There is also a settings button. So in case you do want your PEV not to charge to 100% all the time, you could set it at 95% or something like that. Make sure your battery health is good for a long time. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We're just gonna unplug this. Well, that does it for this video, guys. Again, if you guys did like the video, please hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, and comment if you're gonna get one. I will leave the link in the description for this charger, or if you need any PEV accessories like helmet mirrors, horns, or other portable fast chargers, use the code JB to save 5% off your order. And I'll see you guys in the next one. It's your boy JB, signing out. Peace.